Welcome to the Four Hearts block. So this is designed as an introduction to the world of applique. So you can see it's on the quilt behind me. There are 4 applique hearts, and I've started to applique using the oak shot cottons, and I've got 3 in position, and I'm going to show you how to put number 4 in, and then just back up the other side. Also, if you have a knee lift, that will help you with corners too, because you can just raise the presser foot just a little bit to help you get round the corner. There you go. So this, if you haven't got a knee lift, then you can just flick up the presser foot at the back.